So today we are doing a short review of Honor's newly launched Magic 6 Pro. It comes with a starting price of $1000. The Magic 6 Pro has a 50 megapixel main, 50 megapixel ultra wide, 180 megapixel telephoto and a 50 megapixel selfie camera. Experience wise, the Magic 6 Pro is able to capture sharper images of moving objects. At night, the Magic 6 Pro takes better telephoto pictures with improved light and exposure. The shutter button on the Magic 6 Pro is faster and more responsive, ideal for capturing quick shots. The Magic 6 Pro has a gigantic 5600 mAh battery with 80 watt wired and 66 watt wireless charging. Now when it comes to display, the Honor features a 6.8-inch display which is capable of reaching a peak brightness of 5000 nits. It also has a Nano Crystal Shield which is harder than Gorilla Glass. It includes 4320Hz PWM dimming feature to reduce flickering, ensuring a comfortable viewing experience with circadian night display. The Honor Magic 6 Pro developed its own AI features like Magic Portal, Magic Capsule, Smart Folder and Magic Ring. Magic Portal is an easy way of moving data and elements among the apps. Magic Capsule is an easy way to look at information without opening apps. The Smart Folder feature is used to resize a folder. There is also an always on display feature named as Magic Ring. So this is it for this phone. Thank you.